In the shadowed corridors of forgotten studios, archivists fight to resurrect silent films that vanished beneath decay and neglect. They uncover fragile reels, repair brittle frames, and reconstruct original scores to let audiences hear what audiences heard a century ago. The process reveals technical artistry behind those films, from camera tricks to live musical accompanists that shaped how stories breathed. Preservation not only saves images but reintroduces the stars' performances, letting modern viewers experience their expressions unfiltered by contemporary restoration. The revival turns dusty archives into living cinema, inviting a new generation to witness the silent era's enduring ingenuity.